What if I told you that you could start a profitable business with just a $1,000 investment? You don't need inventory, huge startup capital, or a specialized degree. All you need is the right small machine. In this video, we're diving deep into 8 small, overlooked machines that are absolute cash cows, turning a tiny $1,000 investment into serious recurring income. We'll show you what they do, how much they cost, and how they're making people serious income. So let's jump straight in. The wooden cutlery making machine is one of the smartest, eco-friendly business machines you can start today, as plastic bans increase worldwide. With governments and restaurants shifting away from single-use plastics, demand for wooden forks, spoons, and knives is exploding. This machine costs $4,000 to $12,000 and can produce thousands of pieces per hour, giving you high volume output even as a beginner. Your raw material is simple: thin wood sheets or veneer, cheap and easy to source. But what really gives you an advantage is local supply and customization, something large factories can't offer. Restaurants, cafes, and food trucks prefer local suppliers for faster delivery, better designs, and even custom branding. You can offer premium cutlery, engraved logos, or unique shapes that stand out. Distribution is flexible. Sell directly to food service businesses, wholesale to distributors, or create private label packaging for larger brands. Production can be planned around seasons, events, and bulk orders, ensuring steady monthly income. With sustainability becoming mandatory rather than optional, wooden cutlery continues to be a fast-growing, high-demand product, making this machine a powerful, small-scale manufacturing business with long-term profit potential. The Mini Cap Press machine is a low-cost, high-profit customization business that anyone can start from home with almost no learning curve. The machine costs just $80 to $120, yet it lets you print custom designs, logos, names, and artwork onto hats using heat transfer vinyl or sublimation printing. Since personalized merch is exploding on social media, custom caps sell extremely well to sports teams, local clubs, small businesses, schools, influencers, and event organizers. The profit margin is massive. You can produce a customized cap for around $2 and sell it for $10 to $15. Meaning your entire investment can be recovered with just 30 to 40 sales, often in less than 2 weeks. You can sell on Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, TikTok Shop, local fairs, or take bulk orders for uniforms or corporate giveaways. The machine is easy to operate, portable, and requires no technical skills, making it a great first business for beginners. You can even offer upsells like embroidery, matching t-shirts, or pre-designed cap collections. With high demand, low startup cost, and fast turnaround, this small machine can quickly generate consistent monthly income with minimal risk. The Smart Coffee vending machine works like a 24/7 automated cafe that serves fresh, premium coffee without needing staff, making it one of the most profitable passive income machines today. High-quality vending models cost $3,000 to $10,000 and can brew lattes, cappuccinos, espressos, Americanos, and more using freshly ground beans. Monthly operating costs average around $500, covering coffee beans, milk, sugar, maintenance, and electricity. But the revenue potential is huge. If placed in a high-traffic location and selling 100 cups daily at $2.50 each, the machine can generate $7,500 per month, leaving you with around $5,000 net profit after expenses. The best placement spots include office buildings, colleges, hospitals, metro stations, airports, and large apartment complexes. Anywhere people want quick, quality coffee. These machines are a game changer because they offer gourmet cafe-quality drinks at a lower price and without waiting in line. With rising demand for grab-and-go beverages, this vending model is becoming a favorite for busy students and professionals. Low overhead, no employees, high daily demand, and long-term consistency make it one of the easiest hands-off income machines available. The portable water purification vending machine turns a daily necessity, clean drinking water, into a powerful recurring income business. This compact unit uses ROUV and multi-stage filtration to purify water in real time. Customers bring their own bottles, select the quantity, and pay through cash, card, or mobile wallet, making it convenient and eco-friendly. These machines cost $1,500 to $4,000, depending on tank size, purification level, and payment system. Operating costs are extremely low, about $100 to $200 monthly for electricity and filter replacements. When placed in residential areas or busy public locations, it becomes highly profitable. Selling 500 liters per day at 25 cents per liter brings in $125 daily. Great locations include apartment complexes, universities, gyms, parks, construction sites, and event venues. Modern units offer smart features like solar power, app integration, real-time water quality display, and self-cleaning nozzles. With rising awareness about water safety and sustainability, these machines are becoming a fast-growing business with huge long-term demand. The ice cream roll machine combines food and entertainment, making it one of the most viral and profitable dessert businesses today. Originating in Thailand, this machine freezes a creamy liquid base on a metal surface chilled to -20 degrees Celsius, allowing you to chop in toppings, spread the mixture, and roll it into beautiful ice cream scrolls right in front of the customer. It's visually exciting, extremely Instagram-worthy, and draws crowds instantly. Machines cost $800 to $2,500, and monthly operational costs are around $300 to $500 for ingredients and disposables. The profits are impressive, selling each cup at $5 to $7 and serving 50 to 100 cups per day. You can earn $7,500 to $21,000 monthly depending on location. Ideal spots include malls, festivals, food streets, college campuses, night markets, and mobile food carts. You can also enhance sales with seasonal flavors, branded toppings, and live performance-style mixing. Customers love the freshness, the creativity, and the show element, making this a business that grows rapidly with social media exposure. With quick setup, high margins, and strong foot traffic appeal, an ice cream roll machine can pay itself off in just a few weeks. The coffee roaster machine lets you launch your own specialty coffee brand from home with low investment and high margins. Small roasting units start at $1,300, while larger 1 to 2 kilogram models range from $3,000 to $8,000. Green coffee beans cost just $4 to $7 per pound, and after roasting, those beans sell for $12 to $20 per pound, giving you outstanding profit potential. Yet sells for $15, making this one of the highest margin food products available. Your biggest advantage over big brands is freshness. Small batch roasting creates richer flavor and aroma, something coffee lovers absolutely crave. You can sell your roasted beans online, at farmers markets, to cafes, restaurants, subscription boxes, and local grocery stores. You can also create your own blends, single origin selections, flavored roasts, or premium gift sets for holidays. The process is simple. Load green beans, monitor the roast, cool, package, and sell. With global demand for specialty coffee rising every year, a small roasting machine can quickly turn into a full-time business with repeat customers who return month after month. The food dehydrator turns fresh ingredients into high-value, long-lasting snacks, making it an ideal machine for beginners who want to enter the booming healthy snack industry. Commercial dehydrators cost $200 to $1,000, and once loaded, they operate almost hands-free. You can produce premium snacks like beef jerky, fruit leather, apple chips, mango slices, dried vegetables, and gourmet herb mixes. And this business gives you the freedom to create unique flavors. A small pack of beef jerky sells for up to $20, while fruit snacks sell at high margins due to low ingredient costs. Simply slice ingredients, load the trays, set the temperature, and let the machine run overnight. Or online through platforms like Instagram or Etsy. Partnering with local farms also helps you secure fruits and vegetables at discounted prices. Easy operation, low cost, and strong demand make the dehydrator a reliable machine for generating consistent monthly income. The soap-making machine is perfect for launching your own organic or handmade soap brand with minimal investment and high profit margins. Industrial-level machines cost $10,000 to $15,000, but small-scale machines from Amazon are available for just $89 to $200, making this one of the easiest businesses to start from home. You can create unique soaps using essential oils, charcoal, shea butter, herbs, oatmeal, aloe, or natural fragrances. Customers love organic, chemical-free, skin-safe soaps, especially when packaged beautifully. Each bar costs under $1 to produce and sells for $3 to $7, meaning your first 200 bars can fully recover your investment. You can sell through social media, local stores, gift shops, bazaars, subscription boxes, or partner with spas and salons for bulk orders. For beginners looking for a low-cost, creative, high-margin business, the soap-making machine delivers consistent monthly income with room to scale. So far, you've seen machines that create food, fashion, cosmetics, and utilities, each capable of turning a small investment into a full-time income. The beauty of these machines is that they don't require high skill, high rent, or high staff costs. They simply require action. If you're serious about building a small but profitable business, now is the time. Start with one machine, master it, then scale. These small machines can become your first cash flow asset.